Let's dive into exactly what is moving this crazy crypto market. We've talked about how the Federal Reserve is trying to induce a slower economy in order to fight inflation. So they want assets to come down, and they are coming down. So as investors, we get to watch the highest quality, revolutionary, long-term valuable technology assets come down in price and just get deeper and deeper and deeper on sale. And so there is a bottom to this. Let's look at the Bitcoin chart to see where the crypto market is, because Bitcoin's leading the crypto market. Let's see if there's any chart patterns we can spot and discover exactly where we are. So if you look at this chart, you can just see blue is the Bitcoin price, yellow is the relative strength index. So whenever the relative strength index gets this oversold, when it's down here, it means it's oversold. It's a defined strong bottom. So there, and here, right? This is where we are right now. Are we in a bottom? Clearly, we're extremely oversold. It could be one of these numbers where we chop around for a bit. That's probably the most likely outcome. But regardless, we are extremely oversold, and we get to take advantage of these assets as they sell off because they do have long-term fundamentals. So the first story we'll dive into is this one. Apecoin migration draws interest from Avalanche and Flow. So you guys remember how the Bored Ape Yacht Club crashed Ethereum when it sold its land. Well, now they want to move off of Ethereum. And so they're talking to the Bored Ape Yacht Club linked Apecoin is in talks with layer one suitors as the project considers a post-Ethereum future. They are talking to Flow and Avalanche. How ridiculously bullish would that be for either of those layer one blockchains? We'll stay on top of that. Both of them have a good shot at this. Let's keep moving. So crypto.com coin is definitely one to watch. The Chronos chain is their layer one blockchain. Here's a development on the Chronos chain. You can just see, moving 2 steps up, Chronos chain now ranks number 7 among all chains by total value locked. So right now they are higher than Phantom, right behind Polygon, which is behind Solana, which is behind Tron, which is behind Avalanche, Binance, and Ethereum. So Chronos chain is slowly but surely moving its way up with the bullish fundamentals. That is a great company, crypto.com. Let's keep moving. Here's a new development for the Ethereum name service. So you have a very valuable watch company, Hublot. They just joined the .eth club. Obviously, the Ethereum name service, ENS token, governs the .eth domain names. So good to see developments there. Last one we'll dive into is that Dolce & Gabbana is launching more NFTs in Decentraland as wearables. They're all selling for like $1,000+ each, just for the opportunity to wear a Dolce & Gabbana wearable in Decentraland. So they're investing in the space. And so we have the macroeconomic setup, which is negative, but we have these incredibly bullish fundamentals, which are positive. If you're a long-term investor, you don't mind. But guys, we will stay on top of this market.